guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, I welcome you. Please stick around, don't forget to subscribe down below if you're not yet, and let's get into today's video. We're going to be doing a super simple and easy spring look. Almost spring, not quite there, but we're like this close. And I honestly can't wait to do more colorful and spring looks. So here's gonna be the first one of many, I hope. So yeah, we're gonna do a very easy one today. I think it's very beginner friendly. You don't have to be an expert, of course, to do any makeup, but I think this is gonna be easy to recreate. So just a very few products. You can already see my base is done. All the products that I do use are always listed down in the description box. So let's go ahead and move on to the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm basically just going to be working with 2 shades, maybe 3. We'll see how I feel about it. But first, let's go ahead and I'm going to be using my Morphe 35i Icy Fantasy palette. You guys have seen me use this palette before and I love it because it has a lot of pastels, very pretty for spring. I'm going to go in with the shade Dreamer with kind of like a flat shader brush this is. And do make sure to tap off the excess on these shades. I'm going to hold my brush at an angle and kind of bring that color upwards, like I want to slant. Let me wipe that off just a little bit so I can work up here to blend. But let's move on to the inner part. I'm going to be using the same shade, placing my brush flat onto my eyelid and then starting to press that pigment on. And I want to follow the shape of my eyeball naturally, so kind of filling here, this the socket, where I have my crease. Then I just want to follow through. Laid down on my eyes. Next, I'm going in with my iconic London Day to Sleep palette, and I'm going in with the concealer brush for this shade, Champagne Chic. And this I'm going to be placing in the, oops, wrong way. I was holding the brush like this. I have it here. I'm going to be placing this in the middle right here, and I really like this palette, the iconic London, because it's super pigmented. Everything, the mattes, the shimmers. It's really, really nice. I just barely dabbed it and you can see here a lot of that shimmer. I'm going to follow through kind of in that shape because I want it to be like this kind of. I don't know if that makes sense, but following the shimmer, also going up in this direction outwards. I'm just dabbing around it very, very lightly because I don't want to take off that purple pigment, but if you need more, you can always go back in and do more, but just very lightly so it doesn't look too blunt. After I'm satisfied with that gold shade in the middle, I'm going to be taking the Essence White Eyeliner Pencil and taking this all along my lower lash line. Going back in with the Champagne Chic, but now this time with the liner brush. So on the eyelid, I did the gold shade in the middle. For my bottom lash line, I'm going to be doing it the opposite. So inner corner, outer corner. And the purple, since I did outer inner on top, it's going to go in the middle on the bottom. So switching those 2 shades around. So these are the 2 shades that I was talking about that I was going to use just on my eyes, but I do want to add just something more to the inner corner. So I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going to be picking up the Purple Highlight Spectra, and I think this will tighten the whole look together a lot better, just because I feel like I need some shimmer in there, and I want it to be purple. For my face highlight, I actually want to mix some. I want to mix this one Eclipse with Spectra. lips, I'm going to be taking the NYX Lip Pencil in the shade Natural. And right on top of that, the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss in the shade Peach Tea. Video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed a very fresh looking spring look, fresh but with a touch of color. I think it's perfect to start off the spring season. I cannot wait, even though I like the cold. I personally like the cold, but I do like the spring colors, fashion, I like florals. So I cannot wait for that and to bring you guys more spring looks. Let me know down in the comments if you would give this a try or what other spring looks you would also like to see from me, maybe some color combinations, just to get me an idea of what you guys want to see. So please don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!